Hey guys, this is Shoaku7. Whenever I see a good exercise equipment deal, I'll do a quick YouTube video about it because exercise equipment is getting ridiculously expensive. This deal is on an email I just received from Powerblock, and Powerblock is offering its holiday bundle, which is selling for $449 off its regular retail price of $726. It includes a Sports EXP Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 3, and a PowerMax Stand. And when I click on the holiday bundle hyperlink, it takes me to this page, and it gives me more information about the Sports EXP bundle. And as you can see, the regular retail price is $726, but it's offering it for sale for $449, or a savings of $277. And here's the information. The 90-pound adjustable dumbbells includes stages 1, 2, and 3, which allows the adjustable dumbbell to be adjusted from 5 pounds to 90 pounds. Has fast and simple weight changes using Powerblock's unique magnetic selection pin, and includes the PowerMax Stand. And the PowerMax Stand is recommended for dumbbell sets up to 90 pounds per hand with storage for adder weights. The stand keeps things organized, making selecting weights faster and keeping your adjustable dumbbells off the floor. And it comes with free shipping. And according to the advertisement, it has 4 interest-free installments, or from $40.53 a month with Shop Pay. I don't use credit of any type, so I'm not interested in that, but perhaps some of you may be. Here's the shipping information. Powerblock ships to the continuous lower 48 United States, free via FedEx. Powerblock does not offer expedited shipping methods. Orders placed at Powerblock only ship to the United States. Orders are processed and shipped within 3 business days. Heavier dumbbells and larger attachments will ship in multiple boxes, and Powerblock will communicate any back orders or exceptions to this general time frame to you by email or telephone. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Just want to tell you about Powerblock's offer. I'll post a link to it, and as always, thanks for watching.